In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a still in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to save a still image from your project for reference, sharing, or future use, DaVinci Resolve makes the process very quick. The key thing to know is that this happens from the color page where your saved stills are displayed in the gallery. Once you know where to look, exporting a still only takes a few seconds. To begin, go to the color page in DaVinci Resolve. This is the section where you can view grading tools and access the gallery panel that stores your stills. If the still you want has already been created and saved there, you're ready to move on. Take a moment to locate the exact still you want to export so you don't accidentally save the wrong one. From here, look at your stills in the gallery. You should see the images you've captured from your timeline or grade. When you find the still you want to export, right-click on it. This will open a small menu with several options related to that still. In that menu, choose Export. That's the main action you need. As soon as you click it, DaVinci Resolve will let you save the still as a file to your computer. This is useful if you want to archive a reference image, send a still to someone else, or keep a copy outside the project itself. After selecting Export, set a name for the file so it's easy to recognize later. It's a good idea to use a clear and descriptive name, especially if you're exporting multiple stills from the same project. Then choose the location where you want to save it. Pick a folder that's easy to access, such as a project folder or desktop location, depending on how you organize your files. Once you confirm the save location and file name, the still will be exported. That's all there is to it. The process is simple. Go to the color page, find your still in the gallery, right-click it, choose Export, and save it where you want. If you're working with several stills, staying organized with file names and folders can save time later. And if you don't see your still right away, just make sure you're on the correct page and looking in the gallery panel. That's how to export a still in DaVinci Resolve.